I'm Denise Joy, and I tackle some of the most challenging rooms in a home and turn them into a destination the homeowners will love. In one weekend, using paint, repurposed furniture, a few budget-friendly new and secondhand purchases, along with some good old DIY sweat equity from the homeowner, I sprinkle my magic pixie dust, creating beautifully curated spaces. Trust me, it's not just a room makeover, it transforms your life. In every episode, I give you a backstage pass to see it all. The prep, the process, and the dramatic before and after reveal. In episode 4, I tackled an unorganized, overcrowded garage space and transformed it into a multifunctional, highly organized oasis.
I'm glad you came and showed me how to set up zones so everything would have a place, and when I finished with it, I would put it back in their place, which would keep everything neat.
How did I go from this to this? Let me show you how.